Hello world. This video will show you how we can play audio in our web page. So let's open example.html in our notepad. And let's begin. To play our sounds we first have to create an audio element. Then we need to create a child element which contain the path to the source of our audio. Like this. Okay, now we need some audio. Let's download a sound from bensound. First I will create a new directory for our audio sound. Now, let's open Notepad again and give the source element an attribute source, with the value of the path to our audio file. Our path starts with double dot because we need to go back a directory. Then navigate to the map audio. And here is our file. Type the name followed by the extension. In this case MP3. Then give the source opening tag another attribute. This time, type. This defines the type of our file. The value will be audio/our extension. And as last we need controls, like the play button, pause and volume buttons. We simply put controls in the audio opening tag. If we remove controls we don't see our audio player anymore. There are also other options, like loop. Then it will automatically start over again when our audio is finished. These kind of options are called booleans, and we will cover more of them in future videos. Nice, you can finally play audio on your website. Good job. Keep the coding up, my friend.